Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Hi there. Let me ask you a simple question. How are you? Maybe you always answer, "I'm fine, thank you." And you? That answer is correct, but native speakers do not always talk like that in real life. In this lesson, you will learn natural ways to ask and answer, "How are you?" in English. By the end of this video, you will sound more natural, more confident, and more friendly. Welcome back to English Through Book Ideas. Today's lesson is about one of the most common English greetings, "How are you?" This question looks simple, but many English learners feel nervous when someone asks it. They think, should I explain my real feelings? Should I say I'm fine? What should I ask after that? Don't worry. Today, we will learn step by step. We will learn, first, what "how are you" really means. Second, common answers. Third, natural answers. Fourth, how to continue the conversation. Let's begin.
In English, "how are you" can mean two things. Sometimes it means, "How do you feel today?" But many times it is just a polite greeting. For example, someone says, "Hi, how are you?" They may not expect a long answer. They are just being friendly. So you do not always need to explain everything. You can answer in a short and simple way. For example, "I'm good," "I'm okay," "I'm doing well," "not bad." These answers are enough in most daily conversations. Let's practice some simple answers. When someone asks, "How are you?" you can say, "I'm good." Repeat after me. "I'm good." Great. You can also say, "I'm fine." Repeat. "I'm fine." Good. Another answer is, "I'm okay." Repeat. "I'm okay." Nice. You can also say, "I'm doing well." Repeat. "I'm doing well." And one very natural answer is, "Not bad." Repeat. "Not bad." Good job. Now remember, "I'm fine" is correct, but if you always say it, your English may sound a little textbook-like. Try using different answers. Now let's learn more natural answers. If you feel happy or positive, you can say, "I'm great." For example, "How are you?" "I'm great, thanks." Repeat. "I'm great, thanks." If your day is normal, you can say, "I'm pretty good." Repeat. "I'm pretty good." This sounds very natural. If you are not very good, but not very bad, you can say, "I'm okay," or "I'm doing okay." Repeat. "I'm doing okay." If you are tired, you can say, "I'm a little tired, but I'm okay." Repeat. "I'm a little tired, but I'm okay."
This answer is useful because it sounds honest, but still polite.
Alex, when someone asks me, "How are you?" should I explain everything about my day?
Good question, Lena. Usually, no. For example, this may be too much. "How are you?" "Oh, I woke up late, then I missed breakfast, then my phone battery died, and now I feel stressed." That is too long for a simple greeting. A better answer is, "I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. Thanks for asking." This is short, natural, and polite. After you answer, you should ask the other person too. This keeps the conversation going. For example, "How are you?" "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Repeat. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Another way. "I'm pretty good. What about you?" Repeat. "I'm pretty good. What about you?" Another natural way. "I'm doing well. How are you?" Repeat. "I'm doing well. How are you?" So, the simple pattern is answer plus thanks plus ask back. For example, I'm good, thanks. How about you? This is very useful. Let's practice a short conversation. Hi, Lena, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm pretty good, thanks.
That's great.
Good. Now let's practice again, but this time, Lena feels tired. Hi, Lena, how are you?
I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Nice.
Great job. This sounds natural. Native speakers do not only say, "How are you?" They also use other greetings. For example, "How's it going?" This means, "How are you?" You can answer, "It's going well," or "Pretty good." Another question is, "How are you doing?" You can answer, "I'm doing well," or "I'm doing okay." Another casual question is, "What's up?" This is very informal. You can answer, "Not much." Repeat, "Not much," or "Nothing much." Repeat, "Nothing much." So, if someone says, "What's up?" you do not need to explain everything. You can simply say, "Not much. How about you?"
Now, let's practice in real situations. Situation 1. Meeting a friend. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not bad. Situation 2. Talking to a teacher or manager. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well too, thanks. Situation 3. Casual talk. Hey, what's up?
Not much, just studying English.
Nice. Keep going.
Now it's your turn. I will ask you a question. You answer out loud. Ready? How are you? Pause and answer. Great. Now try this one. How's it going? Nice. Now try, how are you doing today? Excellent. Now answer with this pattern. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Say it with me. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Great job.
Let's review. When someone asks, "How are you?" you can say, "I'm good. I'm pretty good. I'm okay. I'm doing well. Not bad." And remember to ask back, "How about you? What about you? How are you?" So instead of always saying, "I'm fine, thank you," and you, try saying, "I'm pretty good, thanks. How about you?" That sounds more natural.
Great work today. Now you can answer "How are you?" with more confidence. Practice these phrases every day, even for 1 minute. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to English Through Book Ideas, and comment your answer. How are you today? I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving. Bye.